Hi guys, I'm Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel. I make videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle, and today is a makeup tutorial. So I created this look as a wedding guest. Summer weddings के लिए आपको कैसे dress up होना चाहिए. So I wanted to break down the makeup क्योंकि कुछ tips and tricks हैं जो मैंने follow की हैं over the period of time in the weddings, जो summer weddings होती हैं, जिससे कि sweating से आप बच सकते हो and how to make your makeup stay longer. So I wanted to share those tips with you all. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Hi guys, so let's just get started with the makeup. So first of all, I'm gonna moisturize my lips with this Laneige lip balm, and it's a very nice product. And secondly, even if it's summer, so you need to hydrate your skin. Even if it's oily skin or dry skin, just hydrate your skin so that your makeup and your base, foundation and everything glides well. So I'm using this MCafe's Coffee Face Serum to moisturize my skin, and topping it up with Biotique's Morning Nectar, and it's a beautiful moisturizer. It suits me well, so I use it. And using my ring finger, I'm gonna just massage under my eyes, gently massaging the under eye area. So first of all, I'll start with my eye makeup. I'm using here Nykaa's Eyes on Me eyeshadow palette. It's a 10-in-1 eyeshadow palette, beautiful palette in the shade Daydreaming. So just taking the pink pigment and just rolling it over my eyes from outer to inner corner, and just blending it well. Next, I'm gonna use the glitter shade from the same palette, and from the inner corner towards the outer corner, and we are gonna blend both the shades together onto the eye. Just blend it very well. And this eyeshadow palette is a really nice palette, so you don't need to worry more about the pigment. Next, I'm gonna use the Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow. It's a beautiful eyeshadow, the best I have seen, and it's very affordable, so do invest in one. All the links will be in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. Look how this eyeshadow is looking. The liquid pigment is so great, and for the wedding guests, you need to have a little bit of heavy eye makeup. Next, I'm gonna use the K Beauty liquid liner. And so whenever you are wearing an Indian attire, especially when you are wearing a sari, just go heavy with your kajal. So I'm using here K Beauty's kajal, and I'm gonna smudge it with a brush. And for the lower lash line, I'm gonna just put some pink pigment so that my eye makeup looks perfectly fine. I did the eye makeup first to avoid any fallouts, so that the base is not at all damaged due to the whole eye makeup. And now we're going to do the base. So first of all, we are going to color correct. So I'm using K Beauty's color corrector in the shade orange. For the foundation, I'm using Wet n Wild's Photo Finish foundation. This is the best foundation. It has a nice medium to high coverage, and it's very affordable. Using a wet blender, like wet sponge, you need to use to blend the foundation, because using a wet one, it won't absorb your makeup, and you will have to use lesser product then. So just blending in the whole foundation, and go very little on the product, as it has to be a summer wedding. You are a summer wedding guest, so you will sweat. So go light on the base. So we are done with the foundation, and now we are going to do the concealer. So I'm using LA Girl's Pro Concealer. It's the most famous product of LA Girl. It's in orange tone, so it helps to delete all those dark areas on your skin. So yeah. Next, I'm gonna use the Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer just to uplift my eye cheek area. So it's a new technique I learned recently. So for uplifting, you need to do the makeup on this area, the upper eye area. For the blush, I'm using Sugar's blush, and same way I applied the concealer, you have to apply the blush. Now you can see the left part is completely on upwards, and the right part is towards down. For the contour, I'm using Benefit's Hoola bronzer. You can use any bronzer you have, or any dark brown color shaped lipstick. So just use that and do the contouring, and you need to do it on this area of the cheek, like the upper part of the cheek. Yeah, just fast forwarding it, and this is how it looks. You can see the difference, right? Next, I'm gonna put some highlighter. Being a wedding guest, you need to put some nice highlighter. So using Maybelline's highlighter, it's one of my favorite. I've broken it many times, but yeah, still using it. So for the lipstick, I'm using L'Oreal lipstick. I don't remember the shade. It will be mentioned in the description box. I find it really dark, so I'm gonna mix it up with Smashbox Stepping Up. So I usually like to mix up different shades, and yeah, so that it's a blend of 2 to 3 shades, so it looks nice and it goes well with my face and outfit and everything. So yeah, that is how we are gonna apply the lipstick. So yeah, this is the final look. I loved how this makeup turned out to be, and I curled my hair a little bit from the downwards, and yeah, this is how it looks. Okay guys, so this is it for the video. I break down this video into 2 parts क्योंकि एक वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा लंबी हो रही थी, तो मैंने ड्रेपिंग प्लस मेकअप अलग अलग कर दिया, तो इसलिए ये 2 parts में आई. So I hope you guys like the first part and the second part. If you haven't checked already the first part, then you can check out here. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you do, then do comment down below and let me know what was your favorite part from both the videos. And for outfit details, check out the part 1. And yeah, I hope you guys like, and give this video a big fat thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. If there is a bride to be in your friend circle, then share this video with her ताकि वो एक on a budget एक beautiful साड़ी look create कर सकती है after wedding. और yeah, it was a nice wedding guest makeup tutorial. तो ये easy breezy सा makeup tutorial था. So yeah, I hope आपने enjoy किया इस वीडियो को देखना. So bye bye and take care. Bye bye.